gentlemen, dear guests, I would like to warmly welcome you on behalf of the European Association of Public Banks. With this conference, we wish to underpin the need for cooperation in implementing promotional policies EU-wide.
It's a pleasure for me to welcome all of you to this special environment today, like the São Paulo Hospital, to discuss the role of the promotional banks across Europe.
The consolidation of the recent positive signals in the economic and the financial spheres requires resolve to continue reforming the economy, to adopt those reforms which are still pending on different fronts.
We've got a directive for all Europe, and then we've got a regulatement for the Eurozone. So all Europe has to go to a single resolution methodology, but it's only for the Eurozone the single resolution found.
We need, in general, more growth in Europe. And this has opened the door to what we could call the micro policy with macro implications. And I believe that the Public Development Bank will be a key instrument in this policy.
I would like to thank at this point ICF, who has kindly hosted this event, and corporate, and I would say has had the hard work of preparing the logistics on the spot together with our colleagues from Generalitat. So we are very thankful for the excellent, perfect organization, all the effort that has gone into that. We would also like to thank again the sponsors of today's event, KPMG, the presentation we have from Mr. Lasarte earlier this morning. Also the Barcelona European Financial Center that has also co-sponsored this event.